Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sonu, also known as Sonji, and today I have a special guest and her name is Diane. She is my bestie and she happens to be my sister-in-law. And don't mind her, she is very nervous.
Yes, very nervous.
But it's gonna be alright. Today we're gonna do the Not My Hands makeup challenge and Diane is gonna be my hands. Let's not waste any more time and start with the video. Let's start by putting some primer. A nice cheek primer. Wow. Oh, that's so nice. I'm gonna massage it very well. Oh my god. Now we're gonna do the brows. Yes, the brows. I forgot to open the. So I'm gonna put some on my brows, of course, because why not? It's a brow pencil. Oh, nice! I love it. Although I think it's a clear brow pencil. I think it's a clear brow pencil because there's no stuff coming out of it. I'm gonna push it harder. I want thick brows, so I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna apply it below the brows. And now let's see what to do. I'm gonna do my other brow. Yes. So yes, I'm gonna put some brow. Push harder on the. Yes, I'm gonna push it harder. I'm gonna put some in between my hairs as well. Yes, it's so nice. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I love to put some below the eyebrows for me because if you done it on the right side, you have to do it on the left side. So now I'm gonna flip my hair and grab some concealer to put on my eyelids and use it as a base on my eyelids. So it looks like this, and I'm gonna put some on my eyelid like this, and on the other eyelid like this. Nice. And I'm gonna grab the beauty blender and I am gonna tap gently on my eyelids. Yes, I found it. Yay! So I'm gonna blend it very well. Oh, some on my cheeks as well. I'm gonna try to blend some in my left eye as well. Yes, let's flip it. Yes. I'm gonna put it some higher, lower. Yes, like this. And I'm ready to put on some eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab the Huda Beauty palette. Oh no, I'm gonna use the Luna Beauty palette by many makeup artists. Yes, it's the best palette. Yay! Let's start. I'm gonna grab a pencil. Yes. Oh, like this beauty blend. No, it's not a beauty blend. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put it in my crease. Nice. Yes. Oh, I love. Give me some blue eyeshadow, babe. One eye is done. Let's go to the other eye. Oh, yes, you blend it like this. Some on the lashes. Yeah, that's right. Let's start with an other color. Maybe it's nice to use my fingers and put it on my eyelid. Let's try that. So I'm gonna grab this color and put it on my eyelids, and it applies so well. I'm so good looking. I'm gonna use this nice purple color and do it on my eyelids in the same way, because who doesn't like two different kind of eyes, one blue and one purple? Wow, I'm loving myself. Now I'm gonna try to use the gold shade that's in the middle. Yes, and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids as well, both sides. I'm gonna press it and drag it, press it and drag it, and do the same thing on the other eye. So Press it and drag it. Press it and drag it. Yes, like this, like this. Oh, I'm so good. I'm just an award-winning makeup artist. Just book me, please. Book me already. So now we're gonna put some foundation because the eyes are done. We're gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and let's start, of course. And I'm gonna use my fingers and drag it on my face. Like this. Yes. Yes. Some on this side, this side, this side, a bit higher. On the nose. Yes, on my cheek. Now I'm gonna, I need to put some on my forehead, sorry. We're gonna try to blend the foundation right now. So I'm gonna gently put it on my whole face. The blender, like in tapping motions, yes. Oh yes, I'm loving it. Oh, I'm so good. This side. I'm gonna do now the other side. Some on my forehead. The other side, yes, my nose. Oh yeah, I'm gonna, yes, I'm so good. I'm gonna put some on my neck as well. So now I'm done with the foundation. I'm gonna conceal. So I'm gonna put that below my eyes, like this. Yes, on my eyes. This is my eye, below my eye. Yes, I'm gonna drag it, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Yes, I love to touch my face. I'm gonna put some on my forehead. My forehead is there, yes, and I'm gonna put some on my nose, a little bit. That's right, and now I'm gonna grab the Beauty Blender again, because Beauty Blender is our best friend. And now I'm gonna blend under my eyes and on the forehead and on my nose. But let's start on the under eyes. I'm so good. The other eye. In the inner corners, yes. Yes, on the forehead. Yes, I'm so good. I can't believe I'm so good. My God. This is my best video ever. My best makeup tutorial ever. So, now, my mouth is hurting. I'm sorry. So, we're gonna start to contour my cheeks. So, yes, my cheeks. Here are my cheeks. We're gonna contour here very well so that we have a slim face. And, we're gonna use the other color on the other side. Yes, I'm gonna tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Yes, and then we're gonna put it right here. Yes, slide it, and we love a good contour. We're gonna do it on the other side as well. Okay, let's do the forehead now with the same color. Tap it off and start with the forehead. Yes. I want to contour my nose a little bit. I'm going to use this small pencil and use the same color. And yeah, let's start. Well, we're going to put it on the sides of the nose, which is here. Yes, here. Yes, and now we have a nice straight nose. Very slim. Let's start with highlighting. I cannot open it. Oh my God. Let's open it. I need to open it. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! I did it. Oh, phew. Let's put some on my nose. Yes, my nose. Slim nose. Highlighted nose. And now let's put on some on my cheeks. On my cheeks, yes. Some higher, yes. Other side, higher, yes. I love some high cheekbones, highlighted cheekbones, high highlighted cheekbones. So, okay, now we are done with this. Let's use some eyeliner, of course, because we didn't do that. Let's find the eyeliner. Yes. So I'm gonna put the eyeliner on my eyes, of course, and I'm gonna drag a nice line. Yes, and now I'm gonna do it on the other side. I'm not able to see where I should put the eyeliner. Let's shake it up and put some on the other side of my eyes. Yeah. Let's drag a nice line. Oh, I'm gonna put some on the lower end of my eye. So yes, I think I'm gonna put some here as well. Yes, drag, drag, drag. Yes, yes. Oh, I'm loving this look already. Let's do the line under the eyes with the same thing on the other side, so that we have two of the same eyes. So I'm gonna drag a line there, right there. Yes, right here. Yeah. Oh, I'm loving this look. I look like Cleopatra. Whoa. That's the Maybelline Mascara Big Shot by Shada. And now I'm gonna gently apply it on my whole eye, apparently. Oh, and on my lashes. And now I'm gonna do the other side, because if you do the one side, you need to do the other side. So yes, again, gently put it below the eyes, and it's so nice to put some on my brows as well. That's so nice. I strongly recommend it. This is a new fashion. But of course some on the lashes, and we're done. Let's put some lipstick and get over with this. So which color I'm gonna use? Let me see. Which one should I use? Which one should I use? Should I use this one or should I use the other one? Which one should I use? I'm gonna use this one. This lipstick by Huda is the best lipstick, and I'm so in love with this color. Oh. I love some overlining. You don't need any liner with this. Oh yes, some on my chin. Why not? And we're done. So this is the finished look. So nice highlighter, nice face, nice makeup. Who needs other hands if you have my hands? Well, how do you like my makeup?
Oh my god, I did a beautiful, good job.
It's so good. I'm looking so good. So good. Slay, slay, slay. So who's ready to go on a party with me? This is my new Christmas look. So I hope you liked this look, and I'm sure you're gonna try this out on Christmas and on New Year's Eve. It's just a very, very, very recommended, most asked, best look ever. So please try this. So did you like the video? How was it the first time before the camera instead of behind the camera?
I was very nervous, but I had so much fun doing this with you.
So are you coming back or not?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
So if you like this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, or follow me on Instagram. Please thumbs up, like. And I'm doing some fun videos in this holiday season, so keep an eye on my Instagram TV, and I'll see you soon with something else, something new. Bye!
Bye!